Hello students, welcome to new chapter. Our today's chapter is 11 topic class discussion and this is MCQ type question for different types of exams like that LAT, then class test, test yourself, etc. So let's start one by one. In first question, who is the poet of the poem class discussion? Wordsworth, Russell Field or Garvey Finn? The correct answer is option C, Garvey Finn. So we need to take the option C. Okay. Then question 2. In the poem, Jane is a boy, girl, teacher. You know that in the poem, Jane is a girl. So option B is correct answer. Then question 3. Which activity is going in our school playground? Dancing, playing or discussion? Student, here is written school playground. So it is related to playing. So option B is correct answer, playing. Okay. Next. Question 4. How many children are described as quiet in the poem? 1, 2 or 3? Okay. Student, we know that in our poem only Jane is 1. So option A, 1 is correct answer. So we need to take option A. Then Arpit makes faces and teaches others. He is studious, naughty or helpful? Student, Arpit makes faces and teaches also. So he is here naughty boy. So option B is correct answer. I request you, please all of you write this question with option in your copy because it will be helpful for your study and different exam. Okay. And then question 6. Indian Council of Child Welfare started National Bravery Awards in which year? 1947, 1967 or 1957? The answer will be 1957. Option C is correct answer. Okay. Next, question number 7. Brave children are being awarded on 2nd October, 15 August or 26 January? Student, who is student will be do brave work. They are being awarded in 26 January. Option C is correct answer. Then rhyming word with chatter is matter, mother or rather? The answer will be matter. So option A is correct answer. Then question 9. When Jane replied, her voice was clear and high, clear and low and loud. Student, you know that according to our poem, her voice was clear but it is low. So option B is correct answer. Then opposite of quiet is silent, generous or loud. Opposite of quiet is loud. So option C is correct answer. Okay, let's check about question number 11 and others also. Importance of discussion: develops student speaking skills, controls the classroom environment, increase students interest and engagement or all of the above? Student, I think all the A, B, C is need for discussion, important. So our D, all of the above is correct answer for this question. Then question 12. What do you mean by barely? Only just talking together in a group on a single topic or clear? We know that the meaning of barely means only just. So option A is correct answer. Then question 13. Which word describes the nature of someone? Careless, cheerful, naughty or all of the above. Student, the nature of someone, this is related to all of the words. So all of the above is correct answer for this question. Okay, next question number 14. Give a word for the following sentence. Joy always teaches everyone. Helpful, quiet or naughty? Student, joy always teaches to everyone, so it is related to naughty. It is related to naughty, so option C is correct answer. Then who gives the award to the brave children? Prime Minister of India, President of India or Education Minister of India? Okay, this award will be given by Prime Minister of India, so option A is correct answer. Then question 16. Children who honored with the bravery award ride on horse, camel or an elephant? Student, which children will got the bravery award? They can ride on elephant, so option C is correct answer. Okay, then question number 17. What question did Jane's teacher ask her? Why you are talking? Why are you silent? Why are you playing? You know that according to our poem, option B, why are you silent? Sorry student, here is 2R, so option B is correct answer. Then about question 18. Choose the correct statement for those children who are awarded for the bravery award. Free school education, cash prizes, a certificate from the Prime Minister of India or all of the above? Here is the correct answer is all of the above. Option is correct because this is related to all of the option. Then identify the pronoun. John Beard was born in 13 August 1880. Who invented first television? Here is the pronoun is television, first or who? The option C is correct answer. Okay. Now question 20. Choose the correct spelling. Discussion, discussion or discussion? We know that spelling of discussion is DISCUSSION, so option B is correct answer. Okay student, this all for today's class. I hope it is helpful for your study. So we'll meet our next class. Thank all of you.